Welcome to FIRE's educational video series. In this video tutorial, we will continue with our discussion on technical analysis. By the end of this video, you will know the various charting timeframes that are used by market technicians. Up until now, we have talked about what a chart is and how each of the line chart, the bar chart and the candle chart is constructed. In this video, we shall talk about the various time frames that are available on charting platforms for a technician to use. But first things first, what is a time frame? In the context of technical analysis, time frame refers to the periodicity of the chart that the technician is viewing. Examples include the 1 minute time frame, the 1 day time frame, the 1 month time frame, and so on. Depending on the time frame chosen, the way the time appears alongside the x-axis will vary. A time frame could broadly be split into three categories, namely the long-term time frame, the intermediate-term time frame, and the short-term time frame. The long-term time frame includes the yearly, the quarterly, and the monthly time frame charts. These time frames are used to understand and analyze the longer-term price trends of securities. Meanwhile, the intermediate-term time frame includes the weekly and the daily time frame charts. These time frames are used to understand and analyze the intermediate-term price trends of securities. Finally, the short-term time frame includes the hourly and the minute time frame. Hourly time frames commonly include the 4-hourly, the 2-hourly, and the 1-hourly time frames, whereas minute time frames commonly include the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute time frame. These time frames are used to understand and analyze the shorter term and the intraday price trends of securities. Let us now understand the concept of time frame better by looking at some real-time charts on our FIRE's web platform. For our illustration, let us take the example of a candle chart. In order to choose a candle chart, all that you need to do is click on the chart type button over here and then select candles. In order to choose the time frame, click on the time frame button over here and select the time frame of your choice. As you can see, these are the various time frames that are available on our platform, starting right from the 1 minute time frame, going all the way up to the 12 months time frame. Among these, let us select the 1 minute time frame. Doing so would display the 1 minute time frame chart for the chosen security. In this case, each candle shows the price statistic of each 1 minute period that the security trades. Each candle will provide 4 data points, namely the price at which the security opened on any 1 minute, the highest as well as the lowest price at which the security traded that minute, and the price at which the security closed that minute. As you can see, the most recent candle appears on the extreme right of the time scale. Once each candle completes, at the end of each minute, a new candle appears to the right of it. Let us now select the 1 day time frame by clicking on the time frame button. Doing so will display the 1 day time frame chart. In this case, each candle shows the price statistic of each day that the security trades. That is, each candle will show the price at which the security opened on any one day, the highest as well as the lowest price at which the security traded that day, and the price at which the security closed that day. Every day, when trading begins, a new candle will start forming for that day and would be visible on the extreme right of the time scale. Finally, let us conclude our discussion by selecting the longest possible time frame, that is the 12-month or the yearly time frame. Doing so would display the yearly time frame chart. In this case, each candle shows the price statistic for each year. That is, each candle will show the price at which the security opened on any one year, the highest price as well as the lowest price at which the security traded that year, and the price at which the security closed for that year. At the start of each new year, a new candle would start forming for that year and would be visible on the extreme right of the chart. Well, that was all that we wanted to cover in this video. If you liked our video, do not forget to click on the like button below. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and the bell icon to receive regular updates about new videos. Thank you for watching this video.